With my son and Alfonso, he said he enjoyed his session with him. Because we inaugurated this together with our partners, the Alcantara. So. Then we have yung President Tagayanan. And then we have the President Tagayanan and my brother Takano. The pleasure and si Paul. But my son's wife, his father, Mr. Ram, Chabao Tay, and he was making me went that he had a chance to meet her. But when she was so kind to him, nothing else, 2 hours to my friend. We had enough things to tell her that sabi niya, yes, it was very nice to meet you. Salamat.
And can I send also, suha, because she